Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Shadable. If you are only new here, which you shouldn't be, you should have already joined the Shadable family. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. So I'm currently outside. It's so beautiful outside. If you didn't go outside today, what were you doing? Well, I just went to go run to the store. But I'm in a laundromat right now, washing up some sneakers and Crocs. Do you guys still wash your sneakers and Crocs? I do. Ain't nothing wrong with a little scrubby. So I came back from the store, but upstairs Royce doing my makeup. I don't know if y'all can see. I got on blush. I got some sparkle here. My lips, my eyelids. Yes, that's what she was doing. Yes. So I was washing my sneakers and the kids' sneakers and our Crocs.
I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around this side, I see you, and I see you. Baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right. I see you, and I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. When you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you.
Yeah, so this is the sneakers and the Crocs. Do y'all throw y'all sneakers inside the washing machine? And your Crocs, do y'all wash them? I remember back in the days, people would clean their sneakers like with a toothbrush. Which, I mean, I guess you could still do that and then put them in the washing machine if you want to give them a good wash, depending on how dirty they are. But like my son's sneakers, like Air Max and stuff like that, you just throw them in there. Quick and fast, simple. My daughter's sneakers, quick and fast, simple. And of course, I throw my Crocs up in there. Quick and fast, simple. Quick and fast, simple. Just how I like it. And then, yep. So, yeah. But let me know in the comment section if you still throw your sneakers in the washing machine. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Yes, clean. Nice and clean. I put them out to dry. 1, 2, 3. And you know, Crocs dry right away. Is it this one? I don't know why this one is so wet. Right, these Crocs. And They said Red Bull give you wings, so do Cardi B. That's my song. So fresh is so clean. Ain't nobody no friend. I'm just so fresh is so clean. Okay. Greg is upstairs cooking. Oh yeah. That's it.
6 hours later.
It is like around it is around like 10:40. Is that accurate? Oh no, this time is right. It's 11:45. And I feel for a snack. And we went to Walmart the other day and look, some patty pie. Sweet potato pie. And of course I gotta put it with some ice cream. That is French vanilla. Oh shoot. Oh yeah. With some French vanilla. I usually use French vanilla or vanilla bean. But yeah. I got the sneakers drying. I usually put them in the window. And the Crocs, you know, I just sit them out on the floor. They'll dry right away on their own. And yeah. So my little dessert, right? Right. So yeah, I'm gonna bust that down. Anywho, gotta get up in the morning, take Miss Royce to school. Y'all know how that goes. She was already giving a hard time because we got a new bed topper for our mattress. And when I tell y'all, it is giving life. I'ma sleep good. That's all I'm gonna tell you. I'ma sleep real good. So she was trying to come into bed with me and her father, and we was like, negative, get out. But oh, and husband made brown stew chicken for dinner with white rice. I thought he was gonna do it with rice and peas, but he didn't. So this is gonna be the end of this video, and I will see y'all, God willing, tomorrow or the next day. God willing, tomorrow. I love y'all. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I didn't do much today, but yeah, love y'all. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below, turn on your post notification, and good night. Love y'all.